bottom of my heart, and I just really look forward and hope that I get to work with all of you again. And, you know, this has been amazing. And just decided it changed my whole life. I love you, man. Sam Crow!
I had not anticipated having to say goodbye to Jax, and I just intuited from the writing in 12 that that's where he was going, because there was a calm that comes over Jax once he realizes that his mother killed Tara and what that deadly implication was going to lead to, and I just knew that he was, in the writing, that he had died at that moment, and there was nothing left for him to move forward. And so I called Kurt and I said, have we had a change of plan here? Are we killing Jax? Because if Jax knows that he's going, then I need to know now. So I need to know how he's feeling and how to play that. And he said, yeah, we're gonna have to say goodbye to him. And man, that really hit me. Because, I thought that he would just kind of a part of him would stay alive in me. And it's better that, it's better that he goes. And it's better for me, but it's going to be sad to say goodbye to this guy.
As we get older, the winters seem colder. Oh, what a difference a year can make. Move in closer, rest your head on my shoulder. Oh, child, how you bring me peace. Let's stay in bed until spring.